In front of me is HONOR Magic5 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use voice typing. You need to begin by accessing your device's keyboard and selecting those three dots at the top right corner of it. When you're ready, tap on Settings. Select Reach Input over here and click on this gray sweater next to voice typing in order to activate it. When you're ready, just go back. Now to start typing, click on this microphone at the top of your keyboard and start talking. As you can see, voice typing is on. If you wish to stop, tap on blue button over here. In order to start typing again, click on the same, now white one. When you're ready, just tap on the back button on your keyboard. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!